Hello again, welcome to Bell CB. Today we have a DX-979 from Galaxy. This is for Kerry in Texas, and it's a tune-up report. Kerry, on this watt meter right here, we're looking at 10 watts across the top. You see it's right in between 4 and 6 at 5 watts carrier. Now if I turn it down on the front of the radio, or no, okay, just 1 watt. So we got 1 to 5 watts on AM variable. Over here, peak power 50 watts.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check.
Okay, pop it into upper sideband. And this one on upper sideband.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
Looking good. Let's go now. On air. How about at exit 29? You got a copy on 32. Come on. Channel or just checking?